Hi guys, this is Suraj, and in this video we'll see how you can use your old router such as this one as a range extender so that there are no dead spots in your house. So let's get the video started. Now first you need to have a router and power it on, and I'm using this router in my bedroom where there's low Wi-Fi signal. Now for the sake of this video I'll reset my router, which you can do by pressing this button over here. It's different for different routers, but for this router it's a D-Link DR816. You need to press this for 8 seconds. Now you see that the lights are all switched off, so that means that this router has been reset to its original state. So I have to set it up again. Now let's wait for these two lights. Now that these two lights are up, we have to go into our laptop and configure it. Now as I'm setting this as a new router, I have to give it a new username and password. As you can see that I have already connected to a network. This is the router which is in my hall, and this is the router. This is the new router which we want to use it as a range extender. So let's connect to it. Now as soon as you connect to it, you'll get into the process of configuring the router. Will not change the name of the router. You can do it, it's your wish. Now give it a key of your wish. Now because this is a dual band router, you can see that there are two menus over here. If this is single band, you'll only see this one. Now let's save the changes. Now as soon as you save the changes, the router switches off once. Now again go into the Wi-Fi section and select this one. Because this is a D-Link router, its SSID is in the D-Link with a D-Link name. Now connect to it by entering the password which you gave a few minutes ago. Now after you have connected to it, you can see that there is no internet connection because this router is not connected to the broadband. This is the WAN port, but it's empty. Now just go into the browser and type in 192.168.0.1. I'll provide it in the description box below. And click on login. Now what you want to do is you want to disable the 5G network if your router has a dual band, because it may cause some interference problems with your original router. So we'll go to wireless advanced and we'll check it off. Now click on apply. Now this will turn off the 5G band, and you can actually see that there's a 5G light go off over here. This is only applicable if you have a dual band router. Now go into wireless. Now we will do this step to use your router as a repeater. Now go into wireless repeater over here. Now click on repeater enable and click on site survey. Click on OK. It says there's 30 seconds remaining. Wait for it. Now after the site survey is finished, you'll see that some networks over here, these are detected by the router itself. Now 2.4 is my home network, so I want to use this router as a repeater to this router. So I'll click on select over here and click on next. Now it will ask for a preset key, which basically means it's asking you to type the password of your original router. So let me type it. After you type it, click on next and you'll get into this page. Now you want to change the IP address so that it doesn't conflict with your old router. What you want to do is you want to delete the last number and put in your own number. I'll just put in 3 and click on finish. Now click on OK. Now there's a timer over here. What it basically does is it turns off the Wi-Fi and turns it on again. Now after the router turns on, just connect to this router, which is this one. As you can see, it got connected, and you can actually see that this internet symbol coming over here, even though that this router is not connected to the broadband. So let me check if it's working properly. Yes, it's working. So this router this router is the repeater of my original router in my hall area, so that I can fill my whole bedroom with internet. Thanks for watching, guys.